That's in Division 4 or 5, man. We never won in Division 6 with him.
No, in Division 6 we just messed up everything.
Porton is somewhere here.
Where?
Okay. Yeah, so the Porton's over there.
Yeah.
On my marker, actually.
Yeah, I
know.
see it over there.
Yeah, over there.
Okay.
Cypher Anos.
Okay, how about
Dude, people have the weirdest names.
Raju, can you remove your marker? We both of us remove our marker.
Some people have like the weirdest name, like Desperate Llama. What the hell?
Or like Kingdom of Saudi Arabia Tifu. So you're from Saudi Arabia. Yeah, but then what else like
Can I have the supply drop this time?
Yeah,
sure.
When you say supply drop, do you mean the gun or the launch pads?
The
gun and the launch pad.
Okay.
No, not the launch pad as well.
Okay, fine. I know what
one guy knocked two guys somehow, and with the same name.
Yeah, because like if he has a gun and
he
those
knocked
two.
one guy and then he finished the same guy.
Okay.
Oh, there's already a launch pad sitting loose here.
Let's go.
Oh, mythic chest.
Okay, guys, can I have some loot? Let's.
I got a big pot and a FAMAS. That's it.
Wait,
what
where
did you get from the
drop?
What did you get from the mythic chest?
Gold scar.
Oh, blue SMG. Let's go. What do you mean?
You.
Where's the supply drop?
Didn't someone already open it? Sorry.
Who took the supply drop?
I didn't open it. Is there a supply drop even?
Yeah, there is.
There should be.
I have two. There's some slurp mushrooms over here for you guys.
Oh, I got a slurp fish.
Where is the supply drop?
Don't break the slow barrels. I need also.
Where is it?
Where's the supply drop?
There has to be guaranteed. There's a guaranteed 100% supply drop.
No, I don't think anyone took it.
I just have a gold scar. That's the only thing I have.
I have a.
That's
I
at least good.
Okay. I have okay loot actually.
To be honest, I have garbage loot. No, I just have a blue SMG. That's kind of decent.
Guys, break the slurp barrels here. Break it. Don't you guys want?
I'm full shield.
No, I'm trying
Anybody
to.
have sniper ammo?
Nice.
That's all I have. Not good if you don't have a shotgun.
I don't even have it. Like I barely have it.
I have a FAMAS.
Wait, we can go over here. We can go here.
Okay, Ayan, could you wait for us as well? Not for you.
Wait, Ayan,
Wait,
get
come
me on
on.
the boat. Get me on the boat.
I'm going to this big mansion over here. We all can loot it together.
Oh my god, it just left me.
Okay, here.
I'm just gonna go to this mansion and play on a shotgun or something.
Even I was going to that mansion. We all were going to the same mansion in the end, boys.
No, I'm not for this one. The one with this one, I think. Fancy view. The one which was broken many times. And then
A purple pistol. Ew! What is this guns I'm getting? I'm not finding anything.
I'm not finding a shotgun. Okay, I found a grey tack.
I'm getting so much sniper ammo. Why?
I would rather take a grey AR over a blue FAMAS.
How?
Can I have that blue FAMAS?
Yeah, sure. Ooh, finally a shotgun.
Yes, I got a blue FAMAS. Yes, sir.
Nice.
Okay.
Oh my god, 1,000.
I never seen someone so happy for it.
Yeah, even me. Let me just practice this. I didn't get to warm up today, so.
We did. We warmed up. I warmed up with you.
You didn't in creative.
That's Aryan who said you warmed up with me.
Yeah, okay. My match is not the best. How about we
Roger, you should catch.
Oh wait, by the way, I hope you guys didn't know we got zone again.
Yeah.
Yeah, we knew. Roger, you should carry some cabbages.
No, I have a slurp fish and I have two chop classes.
I have 4 minis and 2 coconuts.
Okay, I have 6 minis and 2 big pots and 2 chilies for me to
Or in farm this house, you can get a lot of brick.
I know. I'm going for wood right now. Mouth always loves cabbages.
Who?
Mohit, he loves cabbages.
My
He
friend
literally keeps on
Falcon,
saying,
my friend Falcon, he really likes small fries.
What is it with you and Falcon? Every time I say something, you bring up Falcon.
Because he was my good friend.
wait, he's in our school?
No,
Is this real? How do you meet him?
I met him through my
Building.
I remember when we won our first arena match. We won that match in season 2. Oh, that was nice. Good time.
Oh, which is literally
So-
broke this whole house.
Yeah, so what happened between you guys?
My other friend, he influenced him to say to get a lot of guys, come to me. We go to Fort Crumpet, guys. Fort Crumpet, guys.
We're just getting some maps right now.
I'm just breaking this whole
They
house.
got a brick in
Okay.
Fort Crumpet. They literally made a brick.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, let's go. Okay, come, let's move.
That's why.
Let's move.
Over there might be a people over there.
I don't think so.
Oh yeah, they might be actually.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Don't go. Like if the people, you don't have to go there.
No, people are not there. Yeah, according
How do you
to-
know?
If the boat will always hit the player. Then it might be.
I'm waiting this word.
Oh, we can go to that
Okay,
old boat,
guys.
the boat in which we won in. I think that boat. I think.
Dude,
You did win a
we
game.
don't have to go everywhere. It's fine.
Yeah, it's a fine Ion. You're sweating
Let
anyways.
me, let me get some metal. Okay.
I want some better guns. Already has a scar.
Yeah, that's why I got from a mythic chest. I don't know who took the supply drop.
There was 0 supply drop, I guess.
How is it 0 supply drop? That makes no sense. Every time
Oh,
I
launch
goes,
pad, guys,
there's
launch
supply
pad.
drop.
Let's go.
Nice. I already have one.
P90 if
Okay.
anyone wants. Oh,
Oh, could
oh
I
my
get
god,
that?
guys, you're not gonna believe it. Another launch pad.
Oh, I'll get that. I'll get that.
Who-
I'll
who
get that. I'll
wants it?
get that.
Who wants it? Who is? I will get
Me.
that.
I have a lot of
Who
healables
is
right
I?
now.
Aryan, I'm right in front of you.
You guys should be thanking me for landing here. I told you guys to go here.
Wait, what is that? Oh, it's a hunting rifle.
We got two. What do you call that? We got two.
Oh, okay, green
launch pads.
AR. Let's go. Let's go, guys.
Guys, we got.
Alright, I'm max on. I just need a better shotgun right now.
Even me, I have a great hack, and I
I
have
have
not
a
much
great
ammo.
dodge.
Oh, guys, purple hunting rifle if anyone wants it.
No, I
I
dropped
know
that
one.
out mine.
I don't want
Can,
it.
can someone give me a bet? If anyone find, okay, you guys have a bet.
What is it? Shotgun? I don't have a shotgun.
Oh, poor.
Like I'm. No, I have a
Come on,
shotgun,
give
but
us
it's
one.
green.
I'll give you my
God,
green tab for
the
your.
first
Wait,
one just closed in. It
there's
felt like forever.
There's a shotgun in the big fort. If you
There's one slow fish, 3 minis.
I have. Oh, give me the minis. I'm scary minis. I have 4.
It's fine, dude. I also need some. I have some Vicaris.
No one's dying.
this is a scrimmage, 100%.
Oh, big pot.
I can carry.
If you
I can
tag
carry.
one person once,
You have to go to zone, guys. Go zone.
if you literally tag a person once and he dies to zone,
Guys,
you
get on the
get the
boat.
knock.
Get on the boat. Get on the boat.
I'm almost
one
ready.
minute, one
Wait,
minute,
wait,
I'm
I forget.
coming.
I'm almost max break. I'm almost max break. Wait.
Even me, I'm so close. Yeah, I'm
I
max
just
break.
need to- I just
Hurry
need
up.
this. Okay, I'm ready. Here, come. Can I drive, please?
Yeah, let's go, let's go.
I'll drive. Just get on.
Let's go. Let's go. Honestly, we're doing so
Guys,
well.
go here.
Why is there a whirlpool over there?
No, it won't. When we go closer, it won't work.
No,
Really? Let's see.
Go here. It's
Dude,
dead side. It's
Don't,
dead side.
does nobody understand what Epic Game literally just said?
Okay, don't go to Sweaty Sands. You're going close to Sweaty Sands. Go where Ion marked to the dead side.
Yeah. Please tell me there's nobody here.
But like, no one is dying.
Guys, you know, you
Yeah.
do some dance in which you like go full like, you go like do this, do breakdown. So that people can't like snipe you or something. You can't snipe you while
You have breakneck as well?
What?
Oh, dude, he has tilted technique. Ion has tilted technique.
No, I don't.
How? You have breakneck.
You have breakneck and you don't have.
That's for
technique.
tilted technique. Breakneck
know.
is like Season X Val Pass.
Oh, I didn't know.
You don't have.
I
Oh,
don't
people
know.
were here.
Okay.
People were here. People were here. I see some girls.
We should just camp somewhere here.
No, I think there are more people somewhere waiting.
Guys, meet you right over there. No, south. Look at south. No, 195. You remove your marker.
Let's just go here to the border and just chill in the border. Follow
Guys,
me.
there might be a guy here.
Where? Someone got rebooted.
Guys, we can just chill in some house.
Well, one kid got no
Does
scope.
anyone have max broke? Has anyone has max break?
I have max
Yeah.
brick. I have max wood and max brick.
I'm gonna get max metal now.
Guys, let's just chill in some house here.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can play like box fight as well. See, we got zone, guys. No, we didn't. No, that was always there.
No, we don't.
Come on.
Pretty much.
Oh,
1
I
minute.
hope we get zone.
Guys, extra metal, you're not getting it? I'll take it.
Am I? Okay. Huh.
I'm good.
No!
Does anyone have like shopping
I'm
shops?
gonna you go to the washroom.
What if we get pushed
up,
Broadway?
I see an ammo box.
Do you have any shotgun shells with you?
I have 28. How much do you have?
I have 8.
Yeah, I'll give you some. Wait, let me select this extra
Like-
point. How much do you need? I'll give you another
Just
mark.
like few.
I'll give you another mark. Oh my.
I think so. Roger is gone.
Okay,
I
guys,
just
I'm back.
faced it. Okay, yeah, cool. Yeah, few more
Do we have
people need to
zone?
die.
Oh, no.
Yeah, no, the zone's not even coming yet. I don't think we have zone. I have a feeling we might not have zone.
Yeah.
Anyways, at least we have a lot of healables. I have 4 minis, 2 chuck
Yeah,
splashes,
I have loads of availables.
and also we have good amount of loot. We have decent amount of loot. We have 3 launch pads, max wood, max break.
Zipline height.
No.
We can just chill you if you have zone. I'm just
If we
looking at the
have-
map right now. Come on. Please.
No,
it's
we
not
have to
that-
move little bit. Move little bit in. Ayan, come, daughter, come.
Oh, it was so
so
close.
bad.
It was so close. Like,
Yeah.
I don't know why.
I feel like it might end at Pleasant Park. The zone might end at Pleasant Park. We save up our launch pads for endgame. We save all of our launch pads for endgame. Ooh, green chalk.
And Ayan, don't take a year to place a launch pad, please.
No, hello. It wasn't my floor. It wasn't my floor.
Oh, okay.
Oh, guys here.
No, just leave it, leave them. We're about to get, they're marauders. Leave them.
No, I want
We
them.
can't, they will not let us go. I got tagged.
Seriously, these guys are annoying. Just get their RPGs or something.
Yeah.
Who has RPG?
Just
Nobody has RPG. No RPG. I can
I
carry, I
got
can
you.
carry.
Someone carry fart bombs.
Yeah, someone carry them. They can be really good in the end game.
There are 4.
I'm having 6 chucks.
I have chilies.
I have a P90 as well. I have a P90 as well.
my
Someone carry it.
Oh my! I have too many heals. I have.
I'll take it. I got it. I dropped my P90 for it.
Yeah, it's okay. I have a shotgun and AR only.
Even
me
me
too.
shot. Okay, I have shotgun, AR, 4 stink bombs, 6 chuck splashes, 4 minis, 5 max
Okay, nice,
wood,
nice.
max brick, 180.
Hey, guys,
Guys.
let's just focus.
It's top 20.
Guys, here.
No, it's top 8. It's not top 20.
Guys, I marked
Top
players.
8, yeah, I know.
marked players.
Guys,
No,
let's
it's
just chill
top
on the hill. Just chill on the hill, yo.
Okay, Dad, we can
Yeah,
remove
we
your
have-
marker. Remove your marker.
Where's Roddy's marker? Okay. We have 3 launch pads for
Yeah,
endgame.
can I get another launch?
Yeah, but the thing
I'm
is,
going-
my
I'm going-
shotgun
There's
is
really
so
someone called Septic.
Guys, I'm going
Why
for the
do you-
launch pad.
Ayan, why are you going?
No, okay.
I'm going for the supply
We
drop.
have 3 launch pads. There are
Okay,
people over there. We have 3 launch pads.
If no one goes for
Yeah,
it,
we got the
go.
placement points.
Okay, I'll just stay close to it. I'll take the launch pad from that. It's very close.
If it's a scar, could I have it?
I have
If
a
it's
FAMAS.
a good shotgun,
A
I
blue
need
FAMAS.
it. I have a great
green
launch.
Okay, how about you? I'll just take the launch pad. You guys didn't take the loot. I'm used to bad loot anyways.
Come on, please don't get sniped, any of you guys. What you get?
Oh my
A
god.
hunting rifle.
Oh god, just bring the supply drop and come or whatever.
No, you got the launch pad. You got the launch pad.
I got. We should use a launch pad. Like if people see us, just.
No, we have 4. We have enough. We have enough for end game. So we're chilling.
No, we can't use too many like in
Wait,
the end game.
Ayan, just give me one launch pad. You already have 2. I can carry one.
Wait, you guys all.
Oh, we have zone.
Both of you guys have.
Yeah, I have one.
launch pads. Both of you have.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So then
I'll carry.
So it's fine. Let him have it, dude.
Let me.
Fine. Let's just chill on the
Oh guys,
field.
we have zone. I think we should make a base now. We have zone. This is the
No.
Yeah, this
You
is
make
perfect.
You make a base and
Dude,
people
it's
will come towards us.
perfect.
Look at these guys. Look
Dude,
at
if
these
we-
guys. I'm telling you guys.
Dude, dude, look at
fine.
the robo building.
Build a one by one.
One by one. With brick. Why are you building it?
Oh my
It's
gosh,
fine.
I'm building. Oh my gosh, screw this game. I have 6. I have enough healables for end game.
so
We're chilling with
scared about
healables. We're chilling with healables. We are chilling with rotation, and we're chilling with math for end game. So that's good.
Yeah, and I have peppers for the tarping. Next zone we're gonna launch pad, okay? For the half zone.
Yeah, we have launch pads. We have
Yeah,
a good amount of
we
launch
can use.
pads.
We need to start using launch pad. We can't use it all in.
Yeah,
the
plus
very, very end.
there's not so many people alive in the
Yeah.
end game too.
Yeah, so we can use the launch.
I don't
pad.
guess we need to talk.
How about I'll use a launch pad for the next zone, not now.
No,
No, just chill. We don't have to use it
No, why?
unnecessarily.
We can go to
We
zone,
could
make
get
a
beamed
base,
out of the
and
sky.
then
We
we
could
can
get
beam
beamed
people.
out of the sky.
Yeah, dude,
Then
no,
beam
these are
is
controlled
small,
players.
we
We
can't
can
do
get
that.
beamed.
In small zone we can't do that, man. It's a half zone.
Still, let's just see. Maybe we might get zone anyways.
We have 4 launch pads. 4 launch pads.
True.
So we have to use it.
The
And we
people are
play-
fighting right there below the tree.
Are they?
Yeah, just below this tree over here. South.
Okay, 1 minute. Ayan, remove your marker.
I don't have any marker. Should we
They're
turn
all
back into
fighting.
fight?
I see. No.
Oh no. I'm scared.
Oh god, what the hell's going on?
Yeah, we got top 4. Let's go. Now we just need some more placement points.
Guys, we have to. I'm gonna launch pad after this.
No,
Wait,
no.
Let's just see if we have zone.
Yeah, no. If we get zone, then we'll not launch pad. But
No,
now
we have
we're-
to.
Yeah.
But we launch pad late.
No, we can run. We can run.
What the hell? Wait, hello. What just happened?
The people
Wait,
just
what?
landed over there.
You're gonna land. Someone landed on us. Hello.
No, they landed over there.
Okay.
Nobody landed on us.
Okay, guys, come close to me. I'm gonna launch pad. Guys, stay
No,
Where are you?
we can place it here.
Yeah, Ayan, come to us. Come down here. Come down. Come under. Yeah, place it over there.
Should I place
Not
a
now.
short
Just
shot?
place it. We'll just go there.
Why did you?
Okay, place it.
Not now. We'll go very late.
Okay, everybody go in line. Okay, place. Just go.
Not now.
Please.
Be ready. Come close.
Please.
Come close. Wait.
No.
Now.
We're gonna get beamed out of the sky. I'm meaning up. I have chug splashes. Rodri, should we chug splash?
Yeah.
Third party to fight. Oh shit! I got triple D.
Mini up.
Wait, guys.
Dude, another kid over here.
Guys, there's a kid here. Just chill. Don't fight him. I'm not gonna fight him.
He's running away. He's grappling away.
Oh god, we have to pad here.
Yeah, guys, go place the pad. Someone place the pad. Be ready to place the pad. Guys, stop fighting. You have to be ready to place the pad. Where are we placing the pad?
Here.
Take this tree then.
Okay.
I have 4 more chug splashes. Wait, Rodri, could you use 1 chug splash?
It's fine. Don't have to use it for like 5
Someone place it.
Rodri, just place it. to
Land
the
you,
beach.
land you.
I want that
Oh
diamond.
my god!
Why? Oh my god.
So she literally just stabbed me. Oh no!
I have 3 more. Ayan, just come down, don't be careful.
I want to play high.
Look at the chest!
I just opened it, just... Ah, we got two. It's us versus another trio, I guess.
The launch padding.
Guy, I'm playing height. I'm on height.
Okay, yeah, cool. Rocky, kid.
Okay, I'm not height. I placed it on pad.
Oh my gosh, no.
You don't have any features, right?
No, I'm winning up. Oh, sorry. I'm winning up.
Orange, don't build, you're gonna get stuck.
Ayan, I need some mats. I have barely any mats.
I don't have.
Oh my god, it hit me!
I have to make... Oh, shit.
Guys, I tapped this.
Crack one! I'm dead. I cracked one at them. Crack one! Let's go! Finish it! No!
Oh, so we didn't. I didn't get the kill. It's like a TT. How many kills?
Yeah.
Yeah, zero kills, right? Or
Yeah, it's fine.
At least I reached 3,000 by today. I reached
Oh, I
3,000.
reached 1,000. Let's go.
Okay, let's not play more.